Hello everyone. Today we will write a program to print even numbers. Even numbers are basically those integers that are exactly divisible by 2, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let's start our program. So first thing is initialization. So we will create list of integers. So my first list of integer is number, and in this list I will provide some integers like 1 to 12. Now I will create another integer, an empty list, which will store the even numbers. Next we will use for each loop, and this loop iterate through each integer, this number in the numbers list. And after that we'll put one condition, if condition, in which number is divided by 2 equals to 0 if the remainder is 0 when we divide any number with 2. So that condition we are applying, and once this condition is true, then we will add number in the even number list. That's it. Now in console.writeLine we just print the text list of even numbers are. That's it. Then again we will use another for each loop to get the exact output. So instead of where I'll use integer and with name even, and just use console.writeLine and put even inside it for print. That's it, our program is done. Save it. Now everything is done from our end. Now we'll run it. See, list of all even numbers are these: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So it is showing even numbers. So yeah, that's all from